Hello to you all lovely learners. Welcome to another part of our academic section. This week I come to you with the strand motor skills and movement patterns, and the sub-strand is physical activity. Now, physical activity is very important in the life of a growing child. In physical education, physical activity is defined as an activity involving large muscle groups undertaken for the purpose of exercise. Now, these are the activities that we normally do, which involves you using your muscles to exercise. Now, in physical activity, we normally employ the large muscle groups and then the smaller muscle groups as well. All these come together to help you as an individual to take part in physical activities. Now, the small muscle groups do not provide sufficient movement to be called exercise, but they support the larger ones for it to be complete, so you are able to take part in physical activities. So this week, I present to you physical activity, and you need to Google to know the meaning of physical activity. You need to go further, research on it, and you get more information on the internet. Thank you. Now, when you are taking physical activity, there's what we call fundamental movement of physical activity. Now, these fundamental movements are the basis of all physical education activities. And these fundamental movements are classified into three types. We have locomotor skills, non-locomotor skills, and then manipulative skills. So these are the three bases or the fundamental movement of physical education activities. Okay, bye. Now let's get the meaning of this fundamental movement. Firstly, when we talk of locomotor skills, these are the skills that involve movement of the body from one point to the other, as in walking, running, jumping, hopping, crawling, galloping, etc. These are the basics of movement. That's what we normally do when we move from one place to another. Walking, running, jumping, hopping, crawling, galloping. Now, some of these movements are fast and others are slow. So we have the two forms, the fast locomotive skills and then the slow locomotive skills. And then we also have what we call non-locomotor skills. And these are movements of the body that do not involve traveling. Now, these include bending, twisting, stretching, lifting, raising, shaking. Now, you bear with me that these skills do not involve you moving from one point to another point. That is, you are at a particular place, you stand still, and then you move your body parts. You stretch, you twist your body, you bend, you lift objects, you raise, you shake yourself. You are at one point and you are doing these movements. They are non-locomotor skills. It does not involve you moving from one place to another. So you can do these skills whilst you are still standing at a particular point. Now, these are the non-locomotor skills. And then we have the last one, which is manipulative skills. Now, these skills involve a child handling an object with the hands, feet, or other body parts. Now, examples of manipulative skills include throwing an object, catching, kicking, dribbling, striking. Google to know more about these fundamental movement skills. Thank you.